Hello everyone. Keeping your customers informed about their rewards is the key to keeping them engaged. Today, we are looking at Flits mail notification feature. In this video, we will dive into how you can automate rewards, store credit updates directly to your customers' inboxes. We will cover why these notifications matter and what kind of updates you can send, and how to integrate Flits with your existing email platform. An important detail to note here is that this feature is exclusively available on the Growth and Established plans only. So let's get started. Till date, emails remain one of the most reliable ways to reach your customers. Flits allows you to send professional automated updates so your shoppers don't have to check multiple apps to know their point balance. You can use Flits to trigger a variety of updates such as points earned when signing up, points earned when placing an order, updates on reward points, or successful referrals. This ensures your shoppers never miss out on their benefits and stay actively engaged with your loyalty program. It is important to note that Flits is not a standalone mail platform. Instead, it connects seamlessly with the tools you already use. Flits acts as a central layer connecting your existing email tools. It enhances what you already use. With a quick and effortless setup, everything stays seamless in sync, making your email communication simple, connected, and efficient. Well, once Flits is connected with your existing platform, everything stays seamlessly in sync across your tools, so your customer data, rewards, and communication are always aligned. To start, you need to integrate Flits with your preferred provider. We support email platforms such as Gmail, Mailgun, Mandarin, SparkPost, and more. Shopify apps such as Klaviyo, Cantlo, and other more top marketing tools. If you use a different mail platform, you can still use this feature. Simply share your SMTP details with our support team, and we will assist you with the custom setup. You can use Flits to trigger a variety of updates such as product review, place order, sign up points, birthday points, and subscriber points. How to send mail notifications step by step. First, you need to integrate with your mail platform. Then, set up the mail triggers. After completing the mail domain configuration, use Flits Mail Editor to configure triggers for sending notifications. These triggers can be set for various rewards and referral program updates. If you wish to find detailed steps as to how to set up the entire mail notification system for your particular mailing platform, you can simply go to our detailed FAQ document and follow along to set it up easily. The link to all the detailed FAQs will be down in the description below, or you can just follow along right now to see how to access those FAQs. From your Google, you can type Flits Fresh Desk FAQs. Click on the first link that comes up, and here you can go to mail notification, and right here you will find detailed documents about how to use your particular mailing platform to send mail notifications. For example, let's open how to use Mailgun to send mail notification. This is a step-by-step guide, so you can use this to easily set this up. Important points to remember here are: Flits enables you to send rewards and store credit updates to third-party platforms. Always ensure your chosen mail platform is compatible with your specific notification needs. Configuring your mail triggers is simple. First, configure the mail, open the mail editor through Flits, set your triggers right, and automate notification in just 4 simple steps. Automated emails are a powerful way to keep your loyalty program top of mind and encourage repeat purchases. If you need any help setting up your email notification or custom SMTP integration, feel free to contact us at support@getflits.com. Thank you for watching, and you can find all the important FAQ details down in the description below. Thank you.